Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Decades in the making, Del Sal started by going even further back in time, to 1972. That's when legendary French aviator Jean Boulet, piloting an Aérospatiale SA 315 Lama, set the world record for the highest altitude flight in a helicopter at 12,442 meters, 40,820 feet.
Let's help you make your mark.
According to Baprio, most commercial airlines avoid flying directly over the Himalayas. This is because the Himalayas have mountains higher than 20,000 feet, including Mount Everest standing at 29,035 feet. However, most commercial airplanes can fly at 30,000 feet. The Himalayan region has almost no flat surfaces.
Take our lead.
50,000 feet. Most U.S. military aircraft can exceed 50,000 feet, if they really try. Again, the limits are classified. Most commercial jetliners cruise somewhere between 30,000 and 45,000 feet above mean sea level.
Take our lead.
Hang gliding and paragliding on the 26th of September 1988, having climbed the mountain via the southeast ridge, Boivin made the first paraglider descent of Mount Everest, in the process creating the record for the fastest descent of the mountain and the highest paraglider flight.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.